To perform your pelvic rotator cuff exercises, put your knees and feet together and then place them on a wall with your toes pointed straight up. Your knees should be at a 90-degree angle, so your shins are parallel to the floor and your back is flat on the ground. Take a deep breath and then turn your feet out like windshield wipers. Make sure to keep your heels in place and your feet on the wall throughout the exercise. As you turn your feet out, your knees will naturally turn out as well. Breathe through your diaphragm or your stomach, and breathe out while turning your feet back inward. Remember, do not let your feet pull apart or your heels slide around when performing the movement. You want to keep your heels locked in place and pivot around them. Your feet should remain on the wall at all times.